Good morning, sir. My name is Harish Mursami, and we are from Group 10. Today, we're going to explain our part 1 for the code with the game assignment Alien vs. Zombie. So, for my part, I did the game board, and now I'm going to explain my game board to you. This code defines a class named bot that represents a game board in an Alien vs. Zombie game. This class has the following members: map, which is a 2D vector that stores the characters of the game board; a row, an integer variable that represents the number of rows in the board; column, an integer variable that represents the number of columns in the board; alien row, an integer variable that represents the row of alien characters in the game; alien column, an integer variable that represents the column of an alien character in the board. Next, this class has following method bot, which is a constructor that takes two integers as input, row and column, and sets the number of rows and column of the board to this input. It also prompts the user to enter the numbers of rows and column. Init. Init is a method that initializes the map vector with random characters, sets the location of the alien character to the center of the board. Lastly, display, which is a method that displays the game board. In init, the map vector is resized to have column rows, and each row is resized to have rows element. An array of character named object is defined and filled with different characters that could appear in the game board. Using the nested loop, random characters from objects array are placed into each element of the map. Finally, the center of the board is set to be the location of alien character, which is represented by A. So this is all of the code for the game board. And now I would like to pass to my friend Nicholas to talk about the display board. Up to you, Nicholas.
Hello, my name is Nicholas. I'm gonna explain from line 72 and to 123. This code is part of a C++ program that implements a board class to display a ASCA11II art representation of a board game called Alien vs Zombie. The display function outputs the board to the console. The function starts by printing the title of the game and a borderline. Then it looks through each row of the board represented by the 2D array map and outputs in its content. In each iteration of the outer loop, it first outputs the row number and the upper border of the row. Then it looks through each column of the current row and outputs the cell content and the border of each column. After looping through all columns, it outputs the lower border of the row. The output is formatted using the setW function from the IO-manip library. We set the width of the output. The digit variable is used to determine if the column number has a single digit or double digit. Now I would like to pass it to Alish.
Thank you, Nicholas. So now I'm gonna be explaining the start game. So this code is a simple implementation of a text-based game called Alien vs Zombie. This consists of several functions and a main function that implements a menu-based interface for the game. The main function defines the initial game settings like number of rows, columns, and number of zombies. It then implements a loop that displays a menu with different options for the user to select from. Based on the user's selection, different functions are called. The available options are: number one, display the game's default settings, number of rows, columns, and zombies. Number two, display the game's help menu with information on the commands the user can use. Number three, start the game by calling the start game function. Number four, option for load game and save game not implemented in the code. Number five, end the game. The start game function creates an object of the board class and calls the display function to display the board. The display default function takes the number of rows, columns and zombies as input and displays their values. The display help function displays the different commands the user can use to play the game. Once the user select option 5, the loop ends and the message "The end" is displayed. That's all from us. Thank you.